Our planet has a complex, entirely natural CO2 cycle. The problem is that humans are using large quantities of the fossil fuels, mineral oil, gas, and coal as sources of energy. Carbon that has been locked up for millions of years is now being released in the form of CO2 over a time frame of a few centuries. These emissions of CO2 into the atmosphere are throwing our ecosystem out of balance. Audi is working on technical solutions with the goal of creating CO2 neutral mobility to complement its electrically powered e-tron models. The focus of the Audi e-fuel strategy is on climate-friendly energy sources that capture CO2 during their production, such as the e-gas for the g-tron models with CNG drive, or the liquid fuels e-gasoline and e-diesel. The e-gas plant in Werlte is the first ever example of an automobile manufacturer putting power to gas technology into practice, and thus marks a sea change in the fuel that goes into a vehicle's tank. At the research facility in New Mexico, Audi is using microorganisms to produce e-ethanol and e-diesel. For its TFSI engines, Audi and its project partners are developing a synthetic production process for sustainable e-gasoline. Together with a Swiss venture partner, Audi even goes one step further. CO2 is filtered straight out of the atmosphere and can be used virtually anywhere as a source of raw material for the e-fuels. Audi aims to continue playing a leading role in the automotive industry and the use of sustainable resources. We are working towards a comprehensively CO2 neutral form of mobility with our e-tron models and Audi e-fuels, giving us an active driving role in the energy policy rethink.